I'm Lulu from Calambour. I'm actually the owner. My mom founded the company 25 years ago. We are based in Milano, but we're opening soon a warehouse in New York, where I live. We mostly do decoupage papers and few products for decoration, and we're very happy and excited to be here at the Mixed Media event to present our newest techniques and products. For instance, we have this beautiful, we have this beautiful verdigris effect, oxidize effect that we basically obtain with this paste and with an oxidizer spray. You can either obtain this rusty effect. This is just a regular plastic necklace that looks oxidized, looks metal, so it's beautiful. Or you can obtain the rusty effect. So either verdigris or rusty effect. It's a very beautiful product. This was just an IKEA bamboo plate. Then we have our stencils, our 3D glossy paste that you can use to paint beautiful creations. It's gonna have this glossy effect. And then we have our 3D crackle paste here. So it's not just a regular crackle effect, because usually it's a varnish. This is a 3D paste. So it's beautiful, and while it's drying, it's going to crack and show the color or the paper underneath. So we're very excited. As you can see here, we are creating just wings for a project. We have a few ladies there taking a class, and it's just a sticky paper that you put like the base and then you oxidize with the verdigris paste.